Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Fadila binti Amril Shukri, metric number 272018. So we are from group C5. Our topic is emotion and mood, and we choose a company TSH Contract Manufacturing Syndrome Berhad. So for today, we are going to present our assignment. So firstly, I will explain the introduction, definition of emotion and mood. Emotion is a short-lived feeling that comes from a noun cause. It can be happy, sadness, ecstatic, and also prideful. Basically, emotion is a brief in duration, which is it can be a minute or a second. There are six common of emotion, which is happiness, sadness, fear, anger, disgust, and also surprise. Next, we move to mood. Mood is a feeling that lasts longer more than emotion. Basically, it can take about hours or a day. Personality, time of the day of the week, stressful, weather can be a source of mood. Next, we go to background of TSH Contract Manufacturing. TSH Contract Manufacturing was opened on 2006. The founder of this company is Mr. Tay. The headquarters of this company was located in Singapore. There are 450 employees who work under this company. The total sales revenue of the company is about 500,000 to 5 billion. TSH Contract Manufacturing provide a service like precision machining, wire harnessing, module assembly, quick turn manufacturing, and also high mix low to medium volume manufacturing. We go to problem in this company. There are three problems that have in the company based on the interview session. So firstly is the lack of the communication, low motivation, and lastly is pandemic of COVID-19. So for lack of communication, this problem happened because of the employee come from a different company, which is Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia, Nepal, and also Bangladesh. So this thing happened because they need to talk with each other. We are using a different language. So the instruction, they can do their work properly because of the instruction is not passed down well. So next is low motivation. This point is actually related to the communication factor. The employee will become passive and unhappy when the work is overloaded and they do not have enough rest. So the employee will become illness at the workplace. Lastly is pandemic of COVID-19. Before MCO, before MCO, they can work two shift, which is 20 hours per day. But after MCO, they only can work from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. only. So this thing will affect their communication. The communication is more harder because the instruction is only through online. So after that, some order also has been cancelled by their customer, and the raw material that brought from US can be arrive as usual. So that's all from me. I will pass the presentation to my group member. Thank you for listening.
Hi, my name is Wang Weijun and my metric number is 270538. Now I would like to talk about the challenges faced by DSH company. So, based on the interview session, there are some challenges that are arising in this company. The first one is hiring the right employee. As the company business is rising rapidly, the main challenges for this company are finding and placing the right person in the right position. It is important to hire the right employee in the workplace because they will work to stabilize and improve the productivity of the company. Wrong hiring will be a bit costly and will also affect the company performance. The second one is lack of effective thinking. Some employee feels that it is difficult to come up with a new method to implement and solve the problem. For instance, manager of this company feels stressful when the machine stop operating due to not enough manpower. So, He needs more talented workers that can come out with unique ideas to help this company to be more efficient and successfully. The third one is customer service. Developing a good customer service is important to meet the customer needs and expectation and providing them with high quality service. But this task is quite challenging for the manager of the company to implement. So DSS company is trying to improve their delivery time and some quality defect issues, and in order to reduce the cancellation of the order and complaints in the company. Now I would like to pass to my next presenter. Thank you.
Suggestion is hiring multilingual manpower. TSH company employed workers from various countries such as Nepal, Bangladesh, and other countries. The workers tend to use their own language, but some colleagues didn't understand their language. This situation affects the managers to instruct them. Hence, the managers need to hire a highly skilled workers. They should provide language guidance classes to ensure the workers have a basic knowledge, which is English and Malay. This is important to ensure that employees clearly understand the instruction given by the manager. By this way, manager will not get stressed and depressed as the instruction can be clearly transmitted to the employees. Second suggestion is provide counseling session. Nowadays, the workers have to adapt to new culture, career problems, and health problems, and many others. As a recommendation, the company should provide counseling session for them. Workplace counseling plays a role in providing counseling and consulting service that target the prevention of personal problems of employees as well as relationship with their family members. The counseling session that provided will be able to create a positive vibes among the employees and managers and improve their work performance. Third suggestion is apply smart factory and Internet of Technology. The company can become productive through the application of Smart Factory and Internet of Things IoT initiative. Smart factories refer to utilizing technology centralization such as big data analysis, cloud solution, embedded system, mobility, and network connectivity. Compared to human, connected smart machines are able to collect and process large sets of data more accurately and consistently. By this way, the SH company can lead their production highly and minimize the time. This situation can make it easier for employees and also providing them a conducive workplace. The last suggestion is create autonomous robot. The SH company can create robots that are more autonomous, flexible, and capable of handling complex tasks as well as day-to-day operation. The robots can be monitored and operated remotely and programmed. This company intends to create robotic arms to process product. At the same time, the number of employees can be reduced. The usage of robots can also reduce processing time compared to the workers. Employees will focus on other work and are able to reduce their workload. They tend to be more positive and eager to improve the quality of their work.
Greetings, Doctor. I'm Loisy Yun, matrix number 273765. I will present about implications of recommendations and conclusions. So firstly, having multilingual employees can facilitate the process of communications. This is because everyone in the company are able to communicate and understand with each other. With this, the upper level manager can pass down the working instructions more efficiently and they can avoid the emotions of depression and stress. They can also give employees feedback efficiently regarding their job performance. With this, the employee in the company will also feel that their job and their contributions are appreciated and thus have a positive emotions and moods to achieve a better job performance. A manager can also reduce the stress emotion to solve the problem created by the employees because of the unclear working instructions. And next, the counseling session can also help employee to solve their problems. With this, the manager can treat different people with different ways as they will know what the problem faced by their employee currently. So the employees in the company will have positive emotions and moods such as they will be happy when working. So it can also reduce the absenteeism, worker turnovers, and also the loss of talent worker in the company. And thirdly, the smart factory and Internet of Things can create a systematic working environment. This is because the manager and employees can have a real-time look into their system. So any error or mistake found can be found quickly during the manufacturing process. With this, there will be less stress and also minimize the frustrations in the work. This is because it will be frustrated for the employees and managers if they only found a mistake after they complete the task. And lastly, autonomous robots can improve the job performance. This is because the autonomous machines, such as the robotics arm, can speed up the manufacturing process. So it can reduce the production of defect products and also ensure the quality of the productions. With this, the stress emotion to meet the deadlines and also to reduce the product deficiency can also be minimized. It can also reduce the heavy workload among the employees, and it will be a motivation for employees to learn new technology. Moreover, the negative emotions of Mr. Wong due to the cancellation of order during the COVID-19 pandemic can also be minimized because the robotic arm can increase the productions. In the conclusions, the emotions and moods are the feeling that should not be neglected in the workplace as it will affect the job performance and also the job satisfactions of employees and managers in an organizations. So the source of emotions and moods may be arising from external or internal of the workplace. So in STHS manufacturing contract, we found that many of the emotions and moods are arising from the workplace itself. So the manager should strive to increase the positive emotion among the employees because the emotion and moods will easily affect the others in the surrounding. Thank you.